First Alert Storm Team Weather Center here on this Thursday evening. It is 6:54 on this July the 13th, 2023, and as you can see right there, we are tracking a few showers and thunderstorms. So there's a severe thunderstorm watch out for Franklin County, Kentucky, and areas off to the east, but most of our area not really concerned about severe weather, as we do just have a few heavy downpours rolling through the area right now. Just checking real quick on some audio and video, make sure we're in good shape. And I can see myself and hear myself, so I think we're in good shape. So if you get lucky enough to get one of these showers or thunderstorms, you might get some heavy rainfall, localized flooding. There's been a flood advisory over Jefferson County in Indiana and northern Scott County in Indiana from that slowly moving storm that is on a weakening trend. If I go full screen here, also a neat little feature I'll show you here. It's an outflow boundary that's about to move into Metro Louisville, which can occasionally pop up a shower or storm. All right, thanks for watching our live stream here on Facebook or YouTube. Thank you, Tim Walters, for checking in, and Steve Givens. One more stop here, and then we'll do a little tour of the radar, and then we will also check out our future cast and look into the weekend. Looks like one day is going to be a little wetter than the other. All right, so here we go. Here we go. Julia Goff, thanks for tuning in here as well. Let's go full screen, and then we the excessive humidity combined with the heat that has been the biggest impact for most of us today, really just having to enjoy the AC. There's that severe thunderstorm watch you can see over eastern Kentucky into West Virginia, southeastern Ohio, so that's where most of the active weather is going to stay. Any severe weather threat very low over the next couple of hours. Just wanted to pop on here with our live stream and give you an update on that, because you might see the sky darkening, you might hear some thunder. Just wanted to give you a heads up. And then we are going to zoom back in and switch over into Futurecast. I'll go back to you're going to maybe have to do some rain dodging if you have some outdoor plans. Sunday's your better pool, lake day, but again, some more hot weather as well. All right, here's a live look out there now, looking toward where we've had some showers in Louisville. And of course, if you've been outside, you felt it for sure. So I want to also thank Joseph Rubel for tuning in, Sandy Pritchard. Hot in Bardstown. Yeah, Bardstown had a heat index up to around 100 today. Monica Smith, thanks for watching, and Sue Shively. Also, we have Mary Netherly. Mary is saying, I lose sound when I zoom in on Futurecast. Oh, I think I know what. So that is why I lost sound. When I went full screen, we lost sound. So I'll go back over Futurecast here in just a second. Thank you very much, Mary, for giving me a heads up on that. Got to check every little box here. All right, let's go back to. We'll just re-rack this. Oh, I wanted to show these time lapses as well. All right, we'll do time lapses, radar, Futurecast, and then we'll be good to go. So this was a little bit earlier this afternoon, and you can look at the storms that fired up first in southern Indiana, north of the river. So look behind the city there, and there you can see those towering cumulus clouds growing big enough to produce some heavy rain, some lightning and thunder, and some gusty winds, and a little bit of localized flooding up around Jefferson County in Indiana. It's kind of a little bit more zoomed in view of the cumulonimbus clouds growing up tall in that blue sky, that hot blue sky that we had out there today. So it just kind of looks like popcorn, cotton ball clouds. All right, so we're back to Futurecast, or I should say Max HD radar. Flood advisory over parts of Jefferson County in Indiana. So that storm's kind of falling apart, fizzling out as it's kind of on the edge of Carrollton there, right over the river, Brooksburg. And then as we move, again, this was the outflow boundary that I was talking about. Notice this little arc right there. That is the rain-cooled air that dropped out of that thunderstorm that is now collapsing near Madison. So those outflow boundaries can sometimes pop up additional development, additional showers and thunderstorms. And it looks like that's kind of what's happened here along Interstate 64, where we have some heavy rain coming down between Anchorage there in Eastwood and Simpsonville, near Todd's Point and Fisherville, and then we have the heavy rain moving out of Taylorsville, right on the Spencer and Shelby County line. And then over here we've got our other thunderstorm that's the strongest one that we have in the viewing area over the Falls of the Rough Rough River, just to the north of Short Creek. So if you're in the Short Creek area, western spots of Litchfield, or I should say Grayson County, then you're probably seeing that sky turn darker up that way. All right, we will move ahead to Futurecast. Get you into the weekend one more time. There's that severe thunderstorm watch off to our east. And we'll go back to full screen. So there's the activity that we have out there now after sunset. We're going to lose the energy for the showers and thunderstorms. Can't rule out maybe a stray shower overnight. It's going to be humid, upper 60s, lower 70s. Mid 70s in the city, and hot and mainly dry tomorrow in the 90s. I don't think we'll hit that 96, but 93 is the forecast high. And then some showers Saturday morning, and maybe kind of off and on as we head through our Saturday. And then Sunday is looking mainly dry across the area. So we're at 88, feels like 94. Here's where we left off before I fixed the audio there. Thanks to Mary Netherlees for letting me know about that. So tropical air is in place. Do what you can to keep cool out there. Our temps are in the 80s, except for where it's rain cooled in Madison at 70 degrees. Still have a heat index here past 7 p.m. at 94 in Shepherdsville and 93 in Litchfield and Munfordville. On the almanac today, 91 the high, 2 above our average high of 89, 104 the record back in 1936. And our lows for tonight with a hefty amount of humidity will be in the upper 60s to the 70s. Had a low this morning of 79. That's as cool as it got. So it's like AC around the clock. Low 90s for tomorrow, and here is that 7-day forecast. We've got a good chance of some off and on showers and thunderstorms Saturday. Not a total washout though. 86 the high with some more clouds around. 90 on Sunday, looks dry Sunday. And then another system brings in a chance of some showers and thunderstorms Monday, and a little bit unsettled from time to time for next week. So definitely it looks like things are going to stay pretty lush and green across Kentuckiana with plenty of more rain chances on the way. You may miss it one day, you may get it another day, and that's kind of the nature of our summertime unsettled weather patterns. Hit or miss, splash and dash, random showers and thunderstorms. And overall, the severe weather threat will stay pretty low. All right, so for the rest of tonight, severe weather threat is low, and we'll see those storms kind of fading away. Some of you might get a nice sunset with maybe a thunderstorm off in the distance and some of those crepuscular rays. All right, it is 7:07. I'll see you in, 3 hours, 53 minutes on WHS 11, The Night Team. Have a great night. Thanks for watching.